Hello my friends, video number 7. Yes, it's going to be a long way to have the car finished. This is the state of art, and in this video I want to finish the body. Today I start making something dangerous. That is painting in black here under, because this is unacceptable for a real car. Matte black is the way. Here there are 4 painting layers. I hope it's enough not to see a gray body. I use not Tamiya, but this is standard acrylic. If it works, it will be a great thing, but if it doesn't work, I have to throw the body away and buy another one and start the work again. Finger cross. Comment, like and subscribe. Done. This is the way I like. And here it seems that is okay. So now what? Let it dry. The most part of the time is spent drying the painting. And now it's time to clear the body. I made 3 openings, 1, 2 and 3. First the inside, hoping not to find bad surprises. Fortunately, here there's a decal and here around also. And now start the work on the body. First I want to mount the lights. Okay, and the front is done and the body is changing. Now the rear. Okay, there is this piece of body that I don't like. I don't know if it has to be so. And here is empty. Perhaps I have to cut this part. Instructions, what do they say? Here it seems there's a hole, but here not. And there were the masking tape. I have to see the original. Then we start cutting this, or I can start with these. All the patches for the black parts. I have to choose the car number, perhaps 1. But which color is 1? I would like yellow. Don't know if it's possible. What is it? They say here blue. And car 1, Jackie X, Derek Bell. Car 1, absolutely. Perfect. And with this sticker I can cover all this mess. That's why I wanted to start from here. Exactly in the middle. Well, I think that I finish the work, then I will show you the result. I don't think you like to stay here with me in silence looking at what I'm doing. So I show you at the end. I'm arrived here applying stickers. I decided first to apply just the technical stickers, the one that helps me to hide my imperfection in paintings, and the one they use to do these openings. I made this 1, 2 and 3 real openings for air. And what else? I worked for about 3 hours, and this is what I have to do. It's quite a long work. In the meanwhile, I'm painting these 2 little pieces because I had a wonderful idea, but you will see later. Before I want to finish this, I don't show you say thanks to Nanny because it's very boring, and I will show you near the end. Let's go to cut and glue. Cut and glue, cut and glue, cut and glue, cut and glue, and becoming mad. There are so many. I also made this, and her sister liked this one. It was terrible, okay, but this never finished. Comment, like and subscribe, please. Do you remember that I was worried about this mistake in the painting, and I told you, okay, I will see what can I do. Tamiya made this and many other of these that are perfect to cover your painting imperfections. Thanks to Tamiya. Wonderful. Slowly, slowly, slowly it is coming out. But look at this. Ah, what a work. So many stickers. Okay, and now I show you how to apply the long stickers. This is the last one, from here to here. It's not easy. First of all, to cut, I use this very sharp blade, and carefully, better out than in. Remember, you can always fix with a good chisel. And maybe one is not enough. Oh, this time was enough. You have to push a little bit in order to be sure that the blade passes through the paper. Okay, here is a bit. And you have to stay as near as you can at the collar part, as if you have to put 2 stickers together, the junction has not to be seen. Okay, and now with scissors. Now, attached to the body, you lift a little piece like this and cut. So you can align and then press and it stays in position. The body, very clean, remember, no powder, nothing under. And then start perfectly You don't have to see any stepping colors. Okay, I think it's nice. Then start with a little piece. Cut and apply, pressing without air bubbles. Then another little piece. I call this Japanese work because Japanese are the top in this kind of works. They are so clean, so precise. I'm not so good. You see, in this way is going wrong. So you can lift and start again. Okay. And then here we have a problem, because this sticker gets a little bit longer, so I have to cut and shift. I cut here. Yes, okay. This is not good. I told you. This is perfect for jacket. Okay. Now, here is not very nice. The only thing you can do is pay a great attention. In a moment, the sticker shrinks, and then you have to buy a new one. This system is very good for all the stickers that has a lot of transparent like this. With the fire, the part with the bubbles gets almost away. Well, I can say this is fantastic. Wonderful. And it's not finished! And this is the last one. Here or here? Here. Well, I don't know. Doesn't matter. The last one at the end. To finish the standard body, I have two more works. Mount the rear wing and mirrors. For mirrors, I don't use the stickers from Tamiya, but I use something shining. I would like to have quite real mirrors. After this, we can mount on the chassis. Cutting these magnets. After this, these two pieces, handmade, scratch built from the body parts, and they will be finished with other pieces, because I have in mind a nice thing, but this we'll see in another video. By now, I finish this and then stop. We go all together to have a nice beer. Here they say to put double-sided tape, but there's a space between these, and I don't put it. And the last work for today is upgrading mirrors. Tamiya gives you this that is silver. I would like to use this, but only this into this. Perhaps it works. Maybe it's better to have something to glue this on this and then into that. If it's not too thick, because the mirror has to stay down into the mirror case, you call this in this way. So I put this here in, then I make the circumference, then I cut, then I put here, then I cut, then I glue, then I make holes in the body, then I put the mirror, the underground, the O-ring, the snappers, and then greetings and goodbye. Mirrors done, and the last touch to the body, I correct myself, the standard body, because I have some upgrades to do. And for today, this is all, my friends. We have to stop here. This video is so long. I don't know how many of you are still here hearing my words. Comment, like and subscribe. This is a wonderful model. And this is only the beginning. Prepare yourself. Have a glass of wine. Sit down on the sofa. Look at the television or at the computer, the video, and take 15-20 minutes of relax. I hope so. And we still have these blue pieces. What do they are for, I will tell you in the next videos. Return back. Ciao!